So when we take a movement like that, and it dips a little bit farther, because like if we think if there's going to be a 3 drives, then you don't take it on the second drive. Like you want to wait for the third one. But when the second drive like that is so much lower, it's closer to doing phase A. Phase A is something that we might be interested in this area. We just hit a 261, so if we use the 261 to the 188, that could get us back to the preliminary support. When we do a phase A, starts out with a notch, goes down, comes back up and attacks it, and then makes a retracement. Aggression shouldn't be incredibly high with the high ATR today, knowing that there's about 26 points per 1 minute candle, so you don't have to compensate with heavy size.
It's a nice move off the 261.
It is. So just like it reminds me exactly of what we got off of this one though. So remember, like whenever it gives this much, there's no way that we can't drag stops into profit if you do have a position from that 261. Knowing that the phase A is operating exactly how it should. That's phase A forming. Remember, in phase A, when it does it properly, it comes back and attacks the low like that. The blue lines being the ultimate target. Like if we could just do phase A and then go to the blue lines, that would be what I'd like to see. The blue lines, always having something to sell at the blue lines. Because ultimately, yeah, the blue lines could be something that hold us back, but when they do break, the B point would be the next point, so. It's like causing a little bit of a nuisance at the blue line as expected. Almost at the 61 too. And yes, it made phase A at the bottom, and it went up, and away. But will this one do the same? Interesting question. I feel like Apple's gonna recover. Ridiculously shitty dump on their what was good earnings, I guess. Yeah.
Estimated surprise by 10%. Apple's down. Amazon. They made money also. Surprised by 26%. Down.
Almost at the B point finally as well. I mean, anybody that's taken any trade I've talked about today could be well up and well protected and well positioned for more profit. And you have to do nothing other than monitor your stop. That should be profitable in the event that it hits. If you're in nothing, well, to be fair, you know what I'm looking for? I'm looking for this to end up being equal with this. Okay? That's something of interest to me. Not necessarily in an immediate time, but it is an attractive target. What we'll do is circle that little area, but also draw an arrow showing that it doesn't have to be there now, because it's obviously now. So I am intrigued by that. This is now the 61, the B point, and everything that it ever was going to give, it has given. The B point from the existing low. Amazing.